Up AutoPay on Bank of America. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set up AutoPay on Bank of America. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your device, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with, and on the search URL, simply type in bankofamerica.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, that will land you to the official web page of Bank of America, as you can see on this interface. Once you get to this interface, now first of all you have to log into your account. So at the left hand side of this interface, there is a login prompt. First of all, enter your correct user ID and then your password. After that, click on login. After logged in, you will get to the dashboard of Bank of America. Now there, at the top horizontal menu, click on Pay and Transfer. After that, a drop-down menu will pop up. From there again, click on View Manage Payments. Then again, click on Pay Bills. After that again, click on Go to Bill Pay. Now, on the next page, you have to find the account where you would like to set up AutoPay to. And once you find that account, below that, you will find a link that says Set up AutoPay. So click on that link. Once you click on that link, on the next page, a dialog box will pop up. Now there you have to fill up some information. First of all, it says Pay From. There you have to select an account. Simply click on drop-down box and then from there select an amount. And under that there is a deliver by. So you can select the time under deliver by. And under that simply select the amount. After you select your amount, now finally click on Start Pending Payment. After you do that, you will get a confirmation that says that AutoPay setup was done. And once you get that confirmation, click on Close and your AutoPay was set up in Bank of America. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end and I will see you on next video.